School, your nationally awarded Lightning Dance Team under the direction of Annie Burnett. Lightning Dancer of the Week is Mallory Lucas. Spirit Girl is Mackenzie Lackey. This year's social officers are Erin Ender, Taylor Benfield, Katie Shelton, Oriana Ortiz, Ashton Washburn, Megan Bashara, Gabby Flores, Kayla Shavanitz, Kathleen Yancey. The 2013-2014 dance officers are Lieutenant Sophomore Samantha Lindsay, Lieutenant Junior Sarah Brumbaugh, Lieutenant Junior Monica McCarson, Lieutenant Junior Mackenzie Thacker, Lieutenant Senior Sakara Grayson, Lieutenant Senior Erica Hollis, Captain Senior Susanna Clement, Captain Senior Savannah Sargent. Tonight the Lightning Dancers will be performing a palm routine to Great Balls of Fire.